Hey, in today's video, we're gonna have a look how to build a single fence gate. So I'm just gonna give you the idea how we're gonna build this gate. We're gonna build the gate the same way, but replica over there. So basically, we're gonna need a couple of 2x4s for this horizontal support, and then some of 2x4s for the vertical support of our gate frame. And we're gonna use pressure-treated lumber. You always wanna use pressure-treated lumber for any kind of lumber projects outside. You're gonna need one fence gate latch, and some brackets and hinges. You always want to buy a gate kit, just it's going to look similar as that. You're going to get those corner brackets and the hinges with the brackets like that. And on these gate kits, usually they're going to give you some kind of instructions how they want you to build this gate, and we're going to build this gate exactly how they state over here. So first we're going to take horizontal 2x4s to build up this upper and lower horizontal support, and then we're going to take two vertical 2x4s to build up our vertical support for our gate frame, and then we're going to use one for the middle just to hold everything up together. And the way how you're going to take the measurement for a gate, you're basically going to measure the distance between these two posts, and you're going to deduct 1 inch from that. So we have 47.5 over there in between those two posts. So my measurement, I'm going to cut those horizontal 2x4s is 46.5, because you need some space for those hinges and some space here between the frame and the post, so frame is not getting stuck to the post. That was the basic idea, so let's get into it. This is where I'm actually building my gate, and I'm gonna take the measurement in between these two posts, and that's 47.5. And as I mentioned before, you're always gonna deduct 1 inch from your actual measurement. So my gate width will be 46.5. So I'm gonna cut some 2x4s to 46.5. So I'm gonna need one more for a horizontal top and the bottom. Now I'm gonna take the measurement for the height of my gate. So I'm gonna go from the top of my bottom stringer to the top of my upper stringer. It doesn't have to be exact measurement, so approximately 68. Now it's time to assemble this frame. So that's basically what I got inside of the assembly kit. You get those corner brackets, they're very important. And the hinges, they have those extension brackets as well. This is my gate frame, and it's opening and closing fairly smooth. And you can see this gap here, what I left here on purpose, because I deducted 1 inch from the measurement between these two posts, because naturally wood is contracting and expanding over time, and I don't want my gate frame to get stuck for the post over time. This gate is opening backwards towards the backyard, and that's how usually fence gates are built. And you can have it opening on the other side. You're just going to have to reverse the position of these hinges. They're not going to be sticking out on this side. They're going to be sticking out on the other side of the fence post right here. First plank, you're always going to start on the opposite of the hinge side, on the side where your door lock will be sitting. And the screws I'm going to use will be quoted 1.5 inch screws. We're going to have 2 screws at the top here, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the bottom. And now I'm going to keep repeating this. I'm going to keep trimming the planks at the bottom and laying them out just like that, using this 2x4 as a spacer between my planks, because this is a privacy fence, and later I'm going to use another set of planks with an overlap here to do this final covering. Now, as I'm done with my first set of planks, I'm gonna do the overlap with another set of planks. So I'm basically gonna center this plank so I kind of evenly overlap this plank onto these other 2. One at the top, secure the bottom so it's not loose, and then everything else in the middle. I'm gonna cut one plank from here to here on the top and the bottom as well. Let's have a look. This is my horizontal covering plank. I'm gonna cover this ugly rough top. We're gonna have a nice smooth finish here at the top. And that's about it. I'm gonna do the same for the bottom now. And this is my fence gate completed now. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.